Mastering frequency adverbs. Enhance your English today. Hello, dear language learners. Today, we're diving into a vital aspect of English grammar, adverbs of frequency. These types of adverbs allow you to express how often you do something, giving your sentences greater depth and clarity. So, let's jump right into it. Adverbs of frequency are special words we use to indicate how often an action occurs. They can tell us if an action happens always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, or never. Here are some common examples. Always, 100% of the time. Usually, around 90% of the time. Often, around 75% of the time. Sometimes, around 50% of the time. Rarely, around 25% of the time. Never, 0% of the time. For instance, I always drink coffee in the morning. She rarely watches TV. They never forget to call their mom. Knowing where to place these adverbs within a sentence is crucial. Rule 1. If the verb is a single word, like reads, drinks, the adverb of frequency usually goes before it. For example, he often reads books. They rarely drink tea. Rule 2. If there is a be verb, is, am, are, was, were, the adverb of frequency goes after it. For example, she is always late for class. I am rarely home before 6 p.m. Rule 3. If there is an auxiliary verb, has, have, can, may, will, the adverb of frequency goes in between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. For example, he has never seen a ghost. We will often visit the museum. Like many rules in English, there are exceptions. Adverbs of frequency can sometimes start or end a sentence, often for emphasis. For example, sometimes, she prefers to stay quiet. I forget his name, sometimes. Also, remember to differentiate between usually and used to. Usually refers to something that generally happens now, while used to refers to something that regularly happened in the past but no longer happens. Well, that wraps up our session on adverbs of frequency. Remember, the key to mastering these adverbs lies in understanding their use and placement in sentences. Practice using them in your daily English, and you'll soon find that they come to you naturally. Keep learning, keep practicing, and see you in our next video.